can I pay every
How
single...
long can you pay for? How long can you last?
A year.
You can last a year?
I could last a year of getting no income from any of my properties. Zero income.
But including your income, right?
No. Well, I'm not even including my income. What I'm saying is, if I lost all my income off the properties, because I'm using the income. Obviously, I'm not using my income from my W-2. I'm using the income from my properties to pay for them, or else there's no point in investing in them if that's not the case. But what I'm saying is, if let's say I lost my job, and let's say I lost the income of those properties,
and let's say the roofs got messed up and you need some repairs and stuff like that. You have enough for a year, or is it a hurricane?
I guess if hurricane, I mean that's what insurance is for. But I mean a natural disaster. I don't think I think I have a higher chance of hitting the lotto than tomorrow finding out that all the properties need new roofs, and my insurance won't be able to cover it. I mean, my insurance covered not too long ago on the very first house I bought. My insurance covered putting a new roof, and that's only because, I mean, I'm sure you know about, I don't know if you know about this, but a lot of companies know how to play that game where, hey, there was a thunderstorm the other day. Hey, we can get you stuff like that.
So this is just to confirm here, right? This is just an example, not saying that Alex did this or anything like this. This is just an example of a hypothetical.
You've got to stop.